If your iPhone touchscreen is not working or not responding to your touch, there are a couple different things you can do to use the buttons, the physical buttons, to definitely get it working. The first thing that you want to do is check to make sure it's not the screen protector. So if you have a screen protector, either clean it or just take your fingernail and peel it up and then see if that touch screen works. If it doesn't, all we need to do is a force restart. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do that with the buttons. Volume up, volume down, and then press that side button. You can see it says slide to power off. I'm just going to keep holding my finger right there until I see my iPhone screen go black, but keep holding it even through this because you're going to wait until you see the Apple logo. At that point, you can release your fingers. You might also want to consider charging your iPhone, so plug it in and charge it during the same process, and that should help to get it fixed and that touchscreen working. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, to level up your iPhone ability.